In this video, I'm going to show you how to add custom domain on Lovable AI. So firstly, go to Lovable AI, log into your account. So open up the project that you want to add the domain, the custom domain for. So for example, this is my website project here. So I'm going to add a custom domain to this. So two ways you can do this. Firstly, you can click on the publish option here on your top right. If you're ready to publish, click on the publish option, and here you will have custom domain option here, which you can click on this to get it to the customer domain screen here. Or else alternatively, what you can do, go to your project file here, which is on your top left on your name. Click on the little arrow there. When you click on it, just go to the settings. So this will take you to the settings page. So once you're on the settings page here, okay, under the project you'll see domains option here. Click on the domains option. So here you will see the domains available or that's been connected. So the connected one is your custom one from Lovable, which is fine. To add your custom domain, all you have to do is click on add existing domain if you have already purchased it. Okay, so click on it and then subscribe to Lovable AI. You need a subscription plan, and then just provide the details of your custom domain and then few on-screen prompt to confirm it, and you will be able to connect it. Or if you want to like purchase a custom domain, you can simply click on this third option here, purchase new domain. So click on buy domain and then you can buy a domain and connect it. So that's how you can add your custom domain.